straight out of sunny SoCal. If you haven't joined the family already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you don't miss out on more videos. All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. I know you guys are super anxious to find out the tea on how I lost $2,700. Now, normally, I wouldn't share this type of information with the masses. However, I felt as if I needed to document my journey. That way, you guys can actually see I'm a real person, and this really does happen to people like me, just regular old me. So recently, you guys know, I joined a company called MyEcon. And I obviously did my due diligence before signing up, and I figured, this could be a smart business move for me, as well as for my personal economy. So basically, what I did was I dove into the back office immediately, okay? And I clicked on the Smart Credit Repair button, and after I did that, I clicked on the first thing that was right there, which is the 750 credit plan, you guys. So I clicked on it, and that's kind of like a dun dun dun. Nobody really wants to know what's on the report, right? I mean, come on. Unless you're already racking up in the 800s, let me just admit, I don't have the greatest credit, but I will. So what I did was I followed, the simple formula with the business system in the back office. It literally, you guys, only took me less than 30 minutes to get through everything to find out my personal information on my report. Now, some people don't even know how to read a credit report. As far as credit goes, I'm not gonna, let's just keep it really real. I didn't want to look at it, and a lot of us don't. And so when I did, I was able to get the information that I needed. I immediately started an investigation. Now, just so that you're aware, if you answer all of your security questions with each bureau, you can receive information on the internet. You don't have to wait for anything in the mail unless you can't answer any security questions. So what happened was I actually got a letter from TransUnion, which I'll post in this video, saying that they received my information. It was confirmation that they're going to start my investigation about these 4 charges that I had seen, which equaled up to $2,700. Now, some of you may know that if you are in cahoots with a certain business, say for example it was JCPenney's, you ran up a $500 credit card and you never paid them, what they're going to do is report to a third party that's going to take care of the remaining and actually document whether that's putting you in collections or yada yada yada. So that's basically kind of what happened in my situation, because they have some names on there that I just didn't recognize, and also some charges that I was unfamiliar with. And just so that you're aware as well, I don't know if you remember that Equifax and Experian and TransUnion were under, investigation for reporting inaccuracy. So it's kind of a good time to get into this business system, you guys, so that you can see if you were one of those people that were affected by that. And so that's why I dove in really quick as soon as I got in. So luckily I did, and after waiting, some weeks, I was like, okay, I have faith that this is gonna work for me. And so I received another email stating that they finished my investigation. It literally took, a few weeks, which was awesome. That's pretty quick to me. I opened the email. I was so excited. I got $2,653.48 written off with those 4 charges that I no longer owe. I feel so blessed that the person that shared this information with me, man, it's life-changing already, and I just got in, and that's just the beginning. So I recommend, if you have not joined the company, you will want to find out this vital information, because like I said, remember, at the end of the day, start building your foundation now. Find out what's going on so that you can increase your credit score, get the things that you've only desired and wanted. That way you can have lower payments, lower interest rates on everything moving further. So you want to click the button below to get started if you haven't already. Once again, it's your girl Letitia Yofo. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you guys have a wonderful day. I just thought I'd share that with you. I'm so excited. Watch for more results. Bye.